Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 39 of Qaida, and this is related to Waaw Leen. And what is Waaw Leen? Whenever you find Waaw in a Waaw in a second state, Waaw in a second state, and there is Fatha before it, then this is called Waaw Leen. And what are the rules to apply on it? It will be 2 counts long and it will be soft. You will say the word with a very soft manner, because this is called Waaw Leen, and Leen means to say any letter with softness. So give a very nice time on Fatha, because you have to spend 2 counts long time, right? So you give a very nice time on Fatha and join this Fatha with Waaw in a very soft manner. Ow. And Waaw should be pronounced very well. Ow. Bow. Look how well I'm saying Fatha, and open your jaws for Fatha and join this Fatha letter with Waaw with softness. Bow, dow, thou, jow. Notice how long time I'm giving on Fatha and joining it with softness. Ja, jaw, how, how. 2 counts long time should be given. Thou, thou. Okay. So after this, we'll go to the second part, and that is this one. Ow, ow. This is Leen again. Waaw sakina. Waaw is in a second state. There is Sakoon at Waaw, and you find Fatha before it. This is the conditions of Waaw Leen. Here, any letter can come, but it should be with Fatha. Ow. This is Leen, so you will write 2 at the top, because you will going to give 2 counts long time over here. Ow, ha, short, na, short. Ow, ha, na. And how will you stop? You will give Sakoon on Noon, and whenever Lin, Omar are the letters, whenever these are with Sakoon, you will give them a sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So you will give a medium flow of sound when you will stopping at the end. Awhan, daw. Again, this is a Leen. Wow is in with a Sakoon, and before Wow you find what? There is Fatha. Here, any letter can come. No matter which letter is there, we don't care. The 2 conditions to make Waaw Leen is, one is Waaw should be with Sakoon, and before Waaw there should be a Fatha immediate before it. Fatha immediate before it. So, Taw, you will give a very nice time on Ta for Fatha, and attach and join it with Wow. Taw, and give it 2 counts long time. So don't rush to say it, but give a nice time. Tawba, short. Ba is short. Then you will give sifa of tawassut at tanween because tanween gets sifa of tawassut. Tawbatan. And when you will stop, you will give sukoon at the end. This circle ta will be changed into ha. You will remove these uh, um, uh, dots of ta. So tauba, it will be changed into ha, and ha will get sifa of rukhawa. So can you notice when you are saying any letter in wasal, in continuation, the sifa can be different at the end. And when you will stop at the end, the sifa will can be different. So tawbah. Low. Again, wow is with sukoon, and before wow, you found what? Fatha. So this makes it a wow lean. Wow, which has to be said very softly, and the count of this wow lean is 2 counts. For Fatha, open your jaws and join this maftuh letter, this letter with Fatha, very softly with wow, and give a very nice sound of wow. Low, low, ma, short, ta, short, low, mata. And whenever you are stopping at this circled ta, you will change it into ha. Low, ma. You will give sukoon, and this ta will be changed into ha, and this is the ha now, and it will get sifa of the khawa. Lawma khaw. This is a wow lean because wow is with sukoon, and before wow you found fatha, and any letter can come under it. We don't mind, but wow should have fatha immediate before it. This makes wow lean, and this has to be said very, very softly, and it will take 2 counts long time. So don't rush to say it very calmly and softly. How fin for tanween, to pronounce tanween, you will give sifa of tawassut. There should be a flow of medium flow of sound. Khawfin. Yes, I can repeat it for you. Why we are giving sifa of tawassut over here? Because mm, kasra tain has two kasra, and one is kasra and the second is noon sakin actually. So if you want to say fin and you wanted to write it, you can also write it like this. Fin. So the sound is same, right? Fin. The sound is same. So actually, this second kasra is noon sakin. So whenever noon is with sukoon, you will give sifa of tawassut to it because Leen Umar are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, you will give them the sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So when you are pronouncing tanween over here, you are applying sifa of tawassut here. Khawfin, and when you will stop, you will give fa a sukoon. Now sifa will be changed because fa is with sukoon now without tanween. So fa will get hams because hassahu shakhsun sakat are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, you will give them hums, and hums is a flow of breaths. So khawf. Now, which mud has been activated? There is a mud added lisakun because there is a temporary sukun at the end, and there is a long vowel before it. So these are the conditions to make to bring that mad arid lisakun, mad that that is there because of the temporary sukun. So this is the name for this mad, mad arid lisakun, a mad which is because of the temporary sukun. Rawhun, raw, this is a lean because the wow is with sukoon. The first condition is that wow should be in a sukoon, with a sukoon, and with before the letter immediate before it should have fatha on it, fatha on it. So these are the two conditions to make wow, wow lean. Now this wow has to be said very, very softly, and it will take 2 counts long time. Wow. It is not a raw, raw. It's not raw. It's a raw, and raw is heavy too because raw is with fatha. Whenever raw is with fatha or dhamma, it is always heavy, and the heavy raw sounds like a raw, raw, raw. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it with wow with very soft, soft manner, and give it 2 counts long time. Raw. It should take this time. Hun. So when you are saying tanween, yes, you are applying sifa of the wasut here. Rawhun. And when we will stop, the sifa will be changed because the state of the letter is changing. So you are giving sukoon at the end on ha. So there will be rakhawa on ha. Raw, and madarid sukoon is activated over here. Why? Because there is temporary sukoon. When before temporary sukoon you find the long vowel. So these are the two conditions to make any waqf long, and that is called madarid sukoon. You are giving temporary sukoon. Before temporary sukoon you find mad letter. Now you are exchanging this 2 counts long mud letter into 4 counts long now. Raw, sawta. This is a mud wow lean, and wow is with sukoon, and before wow second wow you found fatha. These are the conditions to make a wow, wow lean. Like you have to say it very softly, and you will make it 2 counts long sound. So, and ta is short and ta is heavy too. So we will write capital H because ta is heavy. So, and how will you stop? You will give a sukoon at the end. So whenever kutubu jaddin are the 5 letters, whenever these letters are with sukoon, you will give a qalqala on them. You will apply sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is what? Qalqala is when you close the makhraj of letter very strongly, and then you open it um, to to create qalqala. So sawqa, sawqa. And madarid sukoon is activated because there is a temporary sukoon. Before temporary sukoon you found 2 counts long vowel. So these are the conditions to make this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long. Now this is called madarid sukoon. Zawjan, zaw, wow is with sukoon, and before wow you found uh, uh, a fatha, and this is to make these are the conditions to make wow, wow lean, and you are saying this very softly, and it is 2 counts long too. So zaw, za has a buzzing sound. Zaw, jan. When you are saying tanween, yes, you are applying sifa of tawassut. But when you are stopping, what will happen? Now, this fatha tanween has a different way of stopping. Whenever you find fatha tanween, this two fathas, then you will remove one fatha. Look, this is the way. So there is one fatha left. So what is left? This is left. And what is this? This is a long vowel. Yes, 2 counts long vowel. So you will simply make it 2 counts long vowel. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween into mud letter. So you are exchanging it. That's why this mud is called mud awad. Mud awad. Mud awad means mud. To make any letter long is to stretch any letter is called mud, and arid is sorry, mud awad. Awad means when you are exchanging something. To exchange something called awad. Awad. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween into mud letters. So this mud is called mud iwad. You are exchanging one thing to another. Zawjan, zawja. You will make it 2 counts long when you will stop at the end. So this is a lean letter. There is waw with sukoon, and you found fatha before it. So you are making it 2 counts long, and you are saying it very softly. So fa will get hums. If fa is with fatha, dhamma, kasra, or sukoon, in any state, fa is getting hums. But when you are stopping, yes, it will definitely get hums because it will be with sukoon now. And there is a temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon you found 2 counts long vowel. So these are the conditions to make this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long now. So this is called mad arid sukoon, because this mad is being activated because of the temporary sukoon. So this is the name of this mad arid sukoon. And you will change this 2 counts mud into 4 counts long now. So, and you will give hums on fa. And hums is a flow of breath. So, wow is with sukoon, and before wow, there is fatha before it. So you will make um, this wow 2 counts long, and you have to say it very softly. This is why it is called wow lean. Ghaw, run. When you are saying tanween, yes, you are applying sifa of the wasut. Ghaw, run. And how will you stop at the end? With fatha tanween? Yes, you will remove one fatha. So what is remaining? Yes, it will be 2 counts long sound. And so you are exchanging sound, tanween into mad letter. You are making it 2 counts long now. So this is called mad iwad. You are exchanging one sound into another. So this is called mad iwad. So how will you stop? Ghawran. How will you stop? Ghawra. Faw. This is lean. Whenever you find wow with sukoon and there is a fatha immediate before it, this is the two conditions which makes wow lean. So you have to say it very softly, and you have to make it 2 counts long. Fauta, that is short. Fauta. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So that will get hums. And hums is a flow of breath. And فهسه شخص سكت are the letters whenever these are with sukoon, they get hums. Now the sifa of hums will be activated, but what about the stopping style? What we will do? So there is a temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon you found uh, 2 counts long vowel, so you will change so these are the two conditions to make any 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long now. So this is called mad arid lisakun. Fouts, and hums will be activated. Fouts, yeah, 2 counts long, because this standing fatha is equivalent to a normal big fatha, big alif. This standing alif is just like a full, long, strong alif. Yeah, 2 counts long. Qaw, this is wow leen, because the wow is with sukoon, and before sukoon you found fatha. This is these are the conditions to make any wow softly, to say it softly and make it 2 counts long sound. Yeah, qawmi. Me is short. Yeah, qawmi. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and this is a temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon you found long vowel, so you will change this long vowel into 4 counts long now. So this is called mad arid lisakun. Ya qawm, qawm, 2 counts long, because this is a wow leen. There's a wow with sukoon, and before wow you found fatha, and these are the two conditions to make any wow leen. Yeah, meaning you have to say it very softly, and you will make it 2 counts long. And lun, when you are saying the mean, you will apply sifa tawassut. Qawlun. And how will you stop? When you will stop, you will give sukoon. And this is a temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon you find uh, long vowel, so you will change this long vowel into 4 counts long. Qawl, and lam will get sifa of tawassut. Leen, Umar are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, you will give tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Cow, this is a 2 counts long sound, and it has to be said very softly. Cow, tha is short, ora, short. Cow, thara. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, and there is no long vowel before it, so you will simply stop at the end, and you will give sifa of the wasut, because whenever Lin, Amar are the 5 letters, whenever these are with sukoon, you will give them the wasut, and ra is one of them, so you will give the wasut. That the wasut is a medium flow of sound. Look how I will give sukoon. I will give a waqf at the end. Kawthar. And ra will be heavy, because before second ra you find fatha. Whenever there is a fatha or dhamma before ra with sukoon, you will make ra heavy, and heavy ra sounds like this. Tharu, kawtharu, and sifa of tawassut should be there. Foul. This should be 2 counts long, and it should be said very softly. Foul. Qa, qa. Qaf is a heavy letter, so we will write capital H at the top. Qa. Ha. Ha is 2 counts long vowel. Fawqaha. When you are stopping at the long vowel, you will do nothing. You will say as it is when you will give it a stop. فوقها مو. This is a wow lean. It has to be said very softly. It is 2 counts long. T short. Ha, 2 counts long. Mautiha. when you stop at the long vowel, you will change nothing. You will say it as it is when you are giving it a waqf. Mautiha. Now, this is 2 counts long. This is Waaw Leen, and you have to say it very softly. Now, one. When you are saying tanween, you have to bring sifa of the wasut. Naumun. And when you are stopping, you will give sukoon at the end, and before temporary sukoon you find 2 counts long vowel. You will change this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long now, because these are the conditions to make any 2 counts long vowel to the extra stretch. Now, and this is called mad arid lisakun. And when you will stop, you will give sifa of tawassut, because meme is with sakun. Leen Amar are the letters. Whenever these are with sakun, they get sifa of tawassut. Now, how, nan, 2 counts long, because this is um, Waaw Leen, and Waaw Leen is 2 counts long, and it should be very soft to say. How, none. And you will give sifa of tawasut at the end, because when you are saying tanween, you have to bring sifa of tawasut. How, none. And how will you stop? Because this is two fatha, so the style of stopping at the two fatha is very different. You will remove one fatha, and look what is remaining. This is a 2 count long vowel now. So you are exchanging the sound of the name into mud letters. So you are exchanging something. So this is called mud iwat. Mud iwat. You're exchanging one thing, and so iwat means to exchange. So you're exchanging. So that's why this is called mud iwat. Haunan. How na. This is the way you will stop. How na. Low. 2 counts long, and it should be very soft. When you say, it should be soft. Low. Hin. Hin. You will give the wasut, because you are saying tanween. This is a tanween, and when you will stop, you will give temporary sukoon, and before temporary sukoon, you saw what? Oh, there is a 2 counts long vowel. So you will change it immediately into 4 counts, and this is called mad arid lis sukoon, and you will give sifa of rakhawa on ha. Law. Yow is 2 counts long vowel, because this is Waaw Leen. Whenever there is a fatha before Waaw Sakin, you have to make it 2 counts long, and it should be said very softly. Yow ma. Ma is short. Yow ma. How will you stop? You will give sukoon, and this is a temporary sukoon. Before temporary sukoon, if you found 2 counts long vowel, you will immediately change it to 4 counts long now. So it will be mad arid lis sakoon, and you will give sifa of tawassut at the end, because meme is with sakoon. Yaw. Yeah, short, and ya is a very soft letter. You are lifting your tongue up, middle of your tongue up towards your palate, but it is not touching. So the ya is ya. Raw. Raw is a harf leen. It is 2 counts long, and it is very soft to be said. Ya raw. Na. Na is short. Ha. 2 counts long. Ya raw. Na ha. And how will you stop at when there is a mud letter at the end? You will change nothing. You will say it as it is. يرونها. Yow. 2 counts long. Ma. Short. Yawma. E. Hamza is a sharp sound, and kasra give very e sound. Yawma e. Din. You are saying tanween, so the sound should get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. يومئذ. When you will stop, you will give sukoon at the end. So you find nothing. There is no long vowel. So you will simply give sukoon at the end. And but with dal with sukoon will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. يومئذ. Can you hear the sound? يومئذ. Ow. This is a lean letter. Wow, lean. It is 2 counts long and it should be very soft. It should be said very softly. And for fatha, open your jaws, attach it with wow. Ow. Ta. Ta is too long vowel. Then you are saying tanween, give sifa of tawassut. أودادا. When you are stopping, there is a fatha tanween. You will remove one fatha. So this is 2 counts long vowel now. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween to a mud letter. So this is called mud iwad. You are exchanging one thing to another. Exchanging is called iwad in Arabic. So, أوتادا. Ain from your throat very clearly. For fatha, open your jaws, and it is a very short a. It will take 2 counts long because this is vowel. And na 2 counts long. Afawna. When you will stop at the long vowel, you will change nothing, but you will say it as it is. Afawna. Slow, 2 counts long. Man, when you are saying tanween, you will give sifa of tawassut. Slow man, when you will stop, the fatha tanween has a very different style to stop. You will remove one fatha. So what is left? This is 2 counts long vowel now. So you are exchanging the sound of tanween into mud letter. So this mud is called mud iwad. Iwad means to exchange. You are exchanging one thing to another. That's why it is called mud, to stretch anything, and iwad when you are exchanging. Slawma. Slawma. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.